I'm not sure whether I should bring an umbrella or not. The forecast is so unpredictable. She asked me whether I wanted to go to the movies or stay home and watch a movie. He wasn't sure whether he should take the job or not. It was a tough decision. I wonder whether it will rain tomorrow or not. She asked me whether I preferred coffee or tea. He wasn't sure whether he should turn left or right at the fork in the road. I'm not sure whether I'm ready to make a decision yet. I need more time to think. She asked me whether I wanted to go out to eat or cook at home. He wasn't sure whether he should buy the red car or the blue one. I'm not sure whether I'm feeling well enough to go to work today. She asked me whether I wanted to go to the beach or the mountains for our vacation. He wasn't sure whether he should invest in stocks or real estate. I'm not sure whether I should bring a sweater or just wear a t-shirt. She asked me whether I wanted to watch a comedy or a drama. He wasn't sure whether he should ask for a raise or wait until next year. Please subscribe.